Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. When we start our journey of a dental clinic, we often focus on only one thing: getting more patients. We want to increase our patient flow every month. But often, when we are focusing only on this thing, we neglect one of the most important part of a dental clinic, which will help us not only to get new patients but also retain new patients. They play a key role in the patient's experience. And because of neglecting that part, we are losing patients. And that part is our employees, our staff, our team members. They play a vital role in the clinic's success. Always remember this. Clinic is never a one man show, it is always a team effort. Today, I'll ask you three questions. And if any question's answer is yes, then that means you have to focus more on your clinic. So let's get started. Question number one: do you feel that you are the only hardworking person in your clinic and your staff is not working hard or up to the mark, or they are not giving extra hours for the success of the clinic? Do you feel like that? Answer in yes or no. Question number two: do you feel that you hire a person, you train them for 4, 5, or 6 months, and then once they are fully trained, they leave your clinic and go and join somewhere else? Do you feel like that? Maybe your assistant dentist, or maybe your receptionist or assistant staff, anybody. Do you feel like that? Question number three: do you feel that your staff is not performing their duties correctly and you have to remind them frequently of small things, like maybe taking a feedback from the patients, taking follow-ups, giving an appointment to a patient? All these things, do you micromanage in your clinic? Do you feel that you are the only person who have to keep on reminding them? Then only they will perform their duties. And without you, if you are on leave, everything will be a chaos. Do you think like that? If any of the questions answer is yes, that means you need to focus more on your staff. You'll reach your target faster if you concentrate on your staff. Always remember, clinic success is a team effort. It's never a one man show. Imagine you are doing all the work, starting from greeting a patient to treating a patient, clearing the payment, giving them another appointment, and entertaining another patient who came in. It's very difficult, right? We can't do it. It can't be a one man show. If you want the patient's journey to be the best, you need their support. You have to support your employees, and they will support you in reaching your target. So reach your target faster by encouraging them, retaining them. There are different ways of doing it. In my future video, we will be sharing different ways of entertaining and retaining them, encouraging them, everything. Just send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list, and we will be sending the future videos and content to you directly. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us. Thank you. Bye.